So I wanted to take people through my new Medical Qigong app so they could see what you actually get when you download the program. So when you first come, obviously you're going to have the title page and you're going to press enter. Now you have a quick explanation of what Qigong is. You can read through what Qigong is if you've never done Qigong before. You'll click continue. This is going to then take you to a page that's going to explain the three different options. And there's three different options how you can use the app, but I'm going to take you through all three options right now. So we go continue. So you have three options. You can do the full set, you can get prescribed exercise, or you can choose your own exercise. So I always recommend if it's your first time doing the app, you should always do the full set. So if you click on do the full set, it's going to take you to this page where we have all of the exercises here. And these are basically 8 different videos that string together 15 different exercises that comprise the entire set. And then once you push play, it's going to play them in order. So here's the first video with the warm-up.
Okay, to begin our warm-up, we'll start with waking up the joints. So you're going to place your feet nice and tight together, pinky, big toe, heel evenly on the floor. We're going to place our hands on our knees, and we're going to roll counterclockwise, 10 repetitions, moving as...
Now you have the ability to fast forward through if you want to get to a different place on the video, or you can rewind if you need.
That spine, moving into flexion and extension through your back, activating the chin.
So very simple. And it's going to take you all through all of these different 8 videos comprising the whole set. So that's one method. And like I said, for the first time you go through, definitely recommend that. Now, what makes this app amazing is you can actually get it to prescribe you a specific set. So you can say, get prescribed exercise. Now, just like we do in traditional Chinese medicine, when patients come into my office, I go through 120 different questions to diagnose exactly what's wrong with them and what I need to do to treat them. The app is going to do the same thing. So we have drop-down menus here that you can basically click off, and it's going to show you all different kinds of symptoms. And whatever you click on, it's going to pick up that video and include that in the set. So say we click on here, we can now check for our kidney signs. Maybe you have a sore low back today. Maybe we got some achy knees. Maybe if we click on some spleen signs, well, we have some bloating today, and what everybody has, overthinking. Everybody's overthinking. So when I push show videos, now this actually shows me my prescribed exercises. So it does the warm up and opening, just like all sets. And this time it picked up the lung, the kidney, and the spleen exercises, and then your close. So once again, when we push play, it's going to string those all together. And just like you saw before.
Okay, to begin our warm up, we'll start with waking up the joints.
And there we go through again. Now the last option, if you've done the set a few times, is now you can just choose what you like. So say today you didn't want to do your warm-up, you didn't want to do the opening, but today you just felt like doing the liver exercise. You can just click off that, play the video.
Okay, for the liver and the gallbladder channel, we need to first cleanse the meridian. And the color green, especially beautiful, bright emerald green. We want to visualize wherever the hand glides over the tissue. Once again, we're going to clear any stagnation, any pathology, any illness in that channel. Now, liver and gallbladder channel.
So really easy, you can pick whatever you like. So you can actually put together your own set. If you wanted to do liver and spleen or gallbladder, whatever you wanted to do, you could pick it together. Now, right now, the lung and the spleen would be the two you want to do because this is what's going to really help to stimulate your immune system. So lung and spleen, great exercises to do, but whatever you want to choose. And so those are your 3 options. So you can do this app, use it daily, use it as much as you like. Like I said, whether you're doing the full set, prescribed exercise, or choosing your own, 3 options. Keep yourself healthy, both mind and body. Hope you enjoy.